So next topic is the hazardous waste management. Okay, so hazardous waste is nothing but the waste that is dangerous to human health and environment by itself, or when in combination with other material that cause the effect over the health and environment. So this waste is called as hazardous waste. Okay. So this hazardous waste is a special type of waste and which needs proper care should be taken during the handling and the disposal of this waste. Okay. So this hazardous waste can be liquid, can be solid, can be gases or can be sludges. Okay. So uh, either any form of hazardous waste present. Okay. Either may be solid, liquid, gases or sludges form. Okay, and they can be the byproduct of manufacturing process or simply the discarded commercial product like cleaning of fluid or pesticides. Okay, so these all waste that is called as hazardous waste and which is a danger to the health and environment, okay, by itself or when in contact with the other material. So this you can say the cans, bottles, okay, containers, so these are the hazardous material. Okay, so hazardous waste, that waste means the solid, sludges, liquid, and gases other than radioactive and infectious waste, which by reason of their chemical activity are toxic, explosive, and corrosive, or other characteristics cause danger or likely will cause danger to human health or environment, whether alone or when coming in contact with the other waste. So this waste is called as hazardous waste. Okay, so hazardous waste you can see lead, arsenic, mercury, mercuric metallic, benzene, okay, cadmium. So this all waste it is hazardous waste. Okay. So how waste is classified? Either you can say the laboratory test or by the list of specific waste. So from that you can classify the either this waste is hazardous waste or non-hazardous waste. So this is like a symbol which indicates that the waste is hazardous waste. Okay. So what are the different effect of hazardous waste? So the first effect of hazardous waste is that sensitization, that is skin contact with a chemical. Next, neurotoxicity, that is damage to the central nervous system. Then teratogenicity, that is damage to the embryo and fetus leading to the birth defect. Then mutagenicity, that is damage that result in change to the DNA structure in genes. Then carcinogenicity, that is development of cancer or development of malignant tumors or neoplasms. Okay, so these are the different dangerous effects to the human health and environment. Okay? Sensitization, neurotoxicity, teratogenicity, then mutagenicity, then carcinogenicity. Okay, so this the dangerous and ill effect of hazardous waste. Okay. Then what are the types of hazardous waste? Basically, the hazardous waste are the classified as a reactive waste, ignitable waste, then medical waste, radioactive waste, and corrosive waste. So reactive waste, as name indicates reactive, these wastes are unstable and tend to react vigorously with air, water, and other substance. So this type of waste is called as reactive waste. Then ignitable waste, this waste which burns at relatively low temperature and are capable of spontaneous combustion during storage, transport and disposal. So this type of waste is called as ignitable waste. Next, medical waste, the waste which comes from the human tissue from surgeries, then bandage, then microbiological material and other substances which generated from the hospital and biological research center. So this waste that is called as medical waste and that is hazardous waste. Next, radioactive waste, that particularly high level radioactive waste from nuclear power plant. Okay, so these are the some of the types of hazardous waste, that is reactive waste, ignitable waste, then medical waste, then radioactive waste, and the last one is corrosive waste. So corrosive waste include the strong alkaline or acidic substances which destroy material or living tissue by chemical reaction. Okay, so which is in corrosive in nature. Okay, so reactive, ignitable waste, then medical waste, radioactive waste, and corrosive waste. These are the different types of hazardous waste. Okay, so similarly, the characteristics of hazardous waste are the ignitability, corrosivity, reactivity, and toxicity. Same as the type indicate, these are the characteristics of hazardous waste. Okay, so what is ignitability? The ignitability is the characteristics of hazardous waste which create fires under certain condition and are spontaneously combustible. So example like waste oil and wet solvent. These are the example of ignitable hazardous waste. Next, corrosivity. These characteristics of hazardous waste is due to highly alkaline or acidic property of waste which destroy the material and living tissue by chemical reaction like battery acid. So battery acid is an example of corrosive hazardous waste. Then reactivity, and this characteristics gives unstable property of waste, and this waste can cause explosion, tonic fumes, gases on vapors when heated. Okay, so lithium and sulfur batteries and explosive are the example of toxic hazardous waste. Then toxicity, that is reactivity. Okay, so lithium, sulfur batteries and explosive are the example of reactive hazardous waste. And toxicity, that is nothing but it is the degree to which substance can damage an organism, that is toxic, and toxic waste are harmful when ingested and absorbed. So when toxic waste are land disposed, contaminated liquid may pollute groundwater, and chemical toxicant include lead, mercury, methyl alcohol. So these are the material which is toxic to the organism. And example, so example of this, just correct here. So mercury methyl alcohol, it is an example of toxicity, and the explosive, it is an example of reactivity. Okay, so reactivity, an example of lithium sulfur battery is an explosive. And if you consider toxicity, so like mercury methyl alcohol and lead are the toxic hazardous waste. Okay, so have to just correct in PPT. Okay, so what are the different treatment of hazardous waste? Okay, so as we already classify the hazardous waste into different types and characteristics of hazardous waste, so second type of hazardous waste, that is non-hazardous solid waste or non-hazardous waste. And this non-hazardous hazardous waste also classify into two types, that is biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. So biodegradable waste, that is what major contribution in biodegradable waste are the fruit processing, then cotton mills, paper mills, sugar mills, and textile factory. So these all waste, that is the biodegradable in nature. So this called as biodegradable non-hazardous waste. And non-biodegradable waste, that is these are the product by the thermal power plants in the form of ash, in the form of iron and steel plant, which produce blast furnace like, and non-ferrous industries which produce red mud and tailings. So these are the non-biodegradable, non-hazardous waste. Okay. So as hazardous waste, it is one of the type. Non-hazardous waste also classified into biodegradable, that is fruit processing, cotton mill, paper mill, and non-biodegradable, that is ash, iron, and that is GGPS, and red mud and tailing. Okay. So now the next treatment of hazardous waste. So treatment, these different treatment and disposal method which are used for the hazardous waste, like neutralization. Okay, that is acidic waste and alkaline waste you can mix together, so you get neutralize. Then oxidation, then reduction, then reverse osmosis, then ion exchange, then carbon adsorption, then recovery of acids, then phenol disruption, and evaporation stripper. So for wastewater which contains suspended solid, physical separation process, example filtration. Okay, so these are the different methods which are used for the treatment of hazardous waste. So this all about the hazardous waste. Okay, so a basic definition of hazardous waste. Okay, so hazardous waste, that is solid, sludge, liquid, and gases. So which is chemical, active, toxic, explosive, and corrosive in nature, and which is a danger to the human health and environment itself, or when come in contact with other. Lead, arsenic, mercury, mercuric metallic, benzene, sludge. These are the different hazardous waste. These are the symbol of hazardous waste. So these are the different effect of hazardous waste, that is carcinogenic, mutagenetic, then terogenetic, neurotoxicity. Okay, then these are the types of hazardous waste: reactive waste, ignitable waste, medical waste, radioactive waste, corrosive waste. These are the characteristics like ignitability, example waste oil and waste solvent, corrosivity, example of battery acid, toxicity, example of mercury methyl alcohol, then lead and most medications, and reactivity, an example of lithium sulfur batteries and explosive. And these are the various treatment methods which are used for the treatment of hazardous waste like neutralization, reduction, carbon adsorption, then phenol destruction and evaporation stripper.